Hi everyone, in this video we'll study guidelines related to radiology chapter, that is 70,000 series. Open your CPT book, Radiology section. Let's begin. First let's start with what is radiology. Radiology is a branch of medicine which uses radiation to diagnose and treat diseases. The radiology section in the CPT book is divided into following subsections, that is types of radiological services. That is Diagnostic Radiology, Diagnostic Ultrasound, Radiologic Guidance, Breast Mammography, Bone Joint Studies, Radiation Oncology and Nuclear Medicine. Open your CPT book, page number 529. We can see the radiological services. First one is Diagnostic Radiology, Diagnostic Imaging. This is the code range. Then we have Diagnostic Ultrasound, Radiologic Guidance, Breast Mammography, Bone Joint Studies, Radiation Oncology, and at last we have Nuclear Medicine. So all these are the subsections in the radiology chapter. Now let us look at the modifiers which are used in radiology coding. That is modifier 26, which is for professional component. Modifier TC is for technical component. Modifier 76 is for repeat procedure or service by same physician or other qualified healthcare professional. Modifier 77 is for repeat procedure by another physician or other qualified healthcare professional. Modifier 50 is for bilateral procedures. Modifier LT-RT, that is for left and right, and modifier 59 is for distinct procedural services. So all these are the common modifiers used in radiology chapter. Take a note of this. Now let us start with the guidelines for the first subsection, that is Diagnostic Radiology. Diagnostic Radiology consists of X-rays, MRI and CT studies. Okay. So what is X-ray? It is taking a picture or snapshot of the inside of the body, and CT scan, they use series of X-rays to produce cross-sectional pictures of the body, and MRI produces slices of image by using a magnetic field and the protons within your body. While coding for diagnostic radiology, we must check three things, that is first, anatomic location, second, type of radiology used, X-ray, CT scan or MRI, and third, we have to check number of views, types of views and whether contrast was used or not. For example, in the code 73560, you can see they have mentioned radiological examination knee 1 or 2 views, and 73562 is for 3 views and 73564 is for complete 4 or more views. Sometimes the code descriptor will state minimum number of views. It means that the code will include any number of views in excess of the number provided in the description. For example, the description for CPT code 73610 is radiological examination, ankle, complete, minimum of 3 views. So they have mentioned minimum of 3 views. It means that whether 3, 4 or more views are taken, 73610 is the appropriate code to use. Another important guideline in radiology section is that we have to use combination codes instead of separate codes if a combination code is available. We have diagnostic radiology codes for different anatomic locations, that is head and neck, chest, spine and pelvis, upper extremities, lower extremity, abdomen. Under Diagnostic Radiology Services for abdomen, we have a table for combinations of CT of the abdomen with CT of the pelvis. CT is computed tomography, performed at the same session using the following table. Mark this important guideline, that is, do not report more than one CT of the abdomen or CT of the pelvis for any session. So here is the important table. So here this code is for CT of pelvis without contrast, and 72193 is for CT of pelvis with contrast. 72194 is for CT of pelvis without contrast followed by contrast material. 74150 is for CT abdomen without contrast. 74160 is for CT abdomen with contrast. 74170 is for CT abdomen without contrast followed by contrast. So the codes in this line are for the CT of abdomen, and the codes in this line is for the CT of pelvis. Now let us look at the combination codes. So here the code 74176 is for CT of abdomen without contrast and CT of pelvis without contrast. In the question, if they have mentioned CT of abdomen without contrast and CT of pelvis without contrast, instead of coding two separate codes 74150 and 72192, you can use the combination code 74176. I hope you are clear with it. Likewise, they have mentioned all these combination codes. You have to use these combination codes based on the scenario. So this is an important table. Mark this in your CPT manual. Next, there is Diagnostic Radiology codes for gastrointestinal tract. After that, we have codes for urinary tract. Then gynecological or obstetrical codes. After that, heart. Go through all the codes. Next important subsection is diagnostic ultrasound. So, diagnostic ultrasound uses sound waves to visualize internal structures. There are different types of ultrasound scans. You can check they have A mode. A mode is for one-dimensional ultrasonic measurement procedure. M mode implies one-dimensional ultrasonic measurement procedure with movement of the trace to record amplitude and velocity. And we have the definition for B scan, that is two-dimensional ultrasound scanning procedure with a two-dimensional display. Then we have real-time scan, that implies two-dimensional ultrasound scanning procedure with display of two-dimensional structure and motion with time. So these are the definitions. Under diagnostic ultrasound also we have codes for different anatomical regions, that is head and neck, chest, abdomen and retroperitoneum, spinal canal, pelvis, non-obstetrical, genitalia, extremities, ultrasonic guidance procedures, and we have codes for other procedures. Just go through the codes and also look at the parenthetical notes below the code while solving questions. The next important subsection is radiologic guidance. We have fluoroscopic guidance, then computed tomography guidance, magnetic resonance imaging guidance, go through the codes, breast mammography, bone joint studies. After bone joint studies, we have the subsection radiation oncology. Radiation oncology is highly specialized and complex method for delivering radiation treatment to tumors. Under that, we have consultation clinical management. That is, when a patient first visits the radiation oncologist, there is a consultation to determine if radiation will benefit the patient or not. According to CPT, this service is coded from the appropriate E&M, medicine or surgery sections. Next, we have clinical treatment planning, that is external and internal sources. They have given the definition highlighted, and we have definition for simple, intermediate and complex planning. The codes 77261 for therapeutic radiology treatment planning simple, 77262 is for intermediate, and 77263 is for complex planning. Next, there are codes for stereotactic radiation treatment delivery. Next, radiation treatment delivery. Under that, we have the definitions for radiation treatment delivery simple, intermediate and complex. Next, neutron beam treatment delivery. Next important topic is radiation treatment management. This is present in your CPT manual, page number 573. Radiation treatment management is reported in units of 5 fractions of treatment sessions, regardless of the actual time period in which the services are furnished. I will explain this with the code for radiation treatment management, that is 77427. As we read in the guideline, radiation treatment management is reported in units of 5 fractions. What does it mean? You can check the code 77427 is for radiation treatment management. They have mentioned 5 treatments, and 1 or 2 fractions beyond a multiple of 5 at the end of course of treatment are not reported separately. It means that we are using 77427 for 5 treatments. And if there are 1 or 2 fractions beyond a multiple of 5. It means that after 5, if there are 6 or 7 treatments, then we are not going to report 77427 again. We are going to use it only once. According to the guideline, we are going to report 77427 twice if there are 3 or 4 fractions beyond a multiple of 5. If there are 5, 6, 7, 8 treatments, then we have to use 77427 twice. Okay. Likewise, you will code for different number of treatments. Just remember that 77427 is reported in units of 5 fractions. So, extra 2 units after 5 fractions are not counted. If there is extra 3 or 4 treatments, then we have to use 77427 again. You will understand this better when we solve a question related to this. Before that, this code 77431 is for radiation therapy management with complete course of therapy consisting of 1 or 2 fractions only. Remember that we should not report 77427 and 77431 together. Now let us solve a question related to radiation treatment management. Read the question. A patient with colon cancer receives 7 radiation treatments. During the course of treatment, the physician views the port films, reviews the treatment parameters and assesses the patient's response to the treatment. Choose the correct code for the radiation treatment management. In the options, they have given 77427, 77431, 77427 they have multiplied twice, and in option D they have given 77427 and 77431. So in the question, they are asking choose the correct code for the radiation treatment management. So we have to use the code 77427, not 77431. And remember that we should not code 77427 and 77431 together. So we'll eliminate option D and also option B, which has the code 77431. We eliminated 77431 because that code is for radiation therapy management. In the question, they're asking for radiation treatment management. Okay. Now we are left with option A and option C. In option A, the code is 77427. In option C, the code is 77427 multiplied twice. In the question, they have given 7 radiation treatments. Right. So, the code 77427 is for radiation treatment management, 5 treatments. But according to the guideline, if there are 1 or 2 fractions beyond a multiple of 5, we are not going to multiply 77427 again. We are going to use 77427 only once. So, 77427 is for 5 treatments. Beyond that, if there are 1 or 2 treatments, we are not going to multiply 77427. So, according to the question, there are 7 treatments. That is only 2 treatments beyond a multiple of 5. So, we are going to use 77427 only once. So, the right answer is option A, 77427. For example, in the question, if they had mentioned 8 treatments, then you would code 77427 for the 5 treatments, and beyond that, if there are 1 or 2 fractions, you are not going to multiply 77427. But here there are 8 fractions. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So it became 3 fractions after multiple of 5. So if there are 3 or 4 fractions beyond a multiple of 5, then we'll have to multiply 77427. So if there are 8 treatments, we'll use 77427 2 times. I hope you're clear with it. After radiation treatment management, next topic is proton beam treatment delivery. Under that, we have definitions for simple, intermediate and complex. Highlight them. After that, we have clinical brachytherapy and nuclear medicine. Just go through the codes. Let us solve a question related to radiology section. Read the question. Sally had a DXA bone density study for her hips, pelvis and spine. The procedure was performed in a hospital. How would you report for the professional services of this study? Let us check the first codes from each option. Check option A, 77078. 77078 is for computed tomography, bone mineral density study, 1 or more sites, axial skeleton. But in this scenario, they have mentioned DXA bone density study. It is not CT, computed tomography, right? So directly eliminate option A. If one code is wrong, the entire option will be wrong. Check option B, 77080. 77080 is for dual energy X-ray absorptiometry, that is DXA. Bone density study, one or more sides, axial skeleton, hips, pelvis and spine. So that is exactly matching with our question. So option B, 77080, this code is the right answer. We'll keep this option for now. Now let us also check option C, 77084. 77084 is for magnetic resonance proton imaging bone marrow blood supply. That is wrong. We'll eliminate option C. Coming to option D, 77081, that is for dual energy X-ray absorptiometry, appendicular skeleton, radius, wrist and heel. But in the scenario, the anatomic location is hips, pelvis and spine. So we cannot code 77081. So eliminate option D directly. We are left with option B, which is the right answer. 77080, that is for DXA bone density, one or more studies, hips, pelvis and spine. We are using modifier 26 for professional services of DXA bone density. Since they are asking how would you report for the professional service of this study, we are using modifier 26 for the professional services of DXA bone density study. So in this video, we studied the guidelines related to radiology section and solved some practice questions. In the next video, we'll solve some more practice questions related to radiology series. So stay tuned.